Hello guys, today I am gonna play game Parking Master. Now game is starting, so let's wait. It's a start. Let's press only the button. Let's go out now and go somewhere. I am driving the car slowly because it is so powerful and speeding. I only modified the car and now it's powerful. First he was not powerful. Look, my drift. Oh, then drift again. Again drift. Again drift, I am doing it. Look, that drift. Again and again I am doing this. And look. And what is this drift button? I don't know. Can you tell me? Yes. Look, my drift. All the drifts. It's making mark on the road so much. I do accident. It's okay. It's just a game. This is not in a real life. No. Let's go speed and speed. I said you this is so speed. Look at me speed. Just again. Look the coconut tree. Road is so clear. Zoom! Let's go zoom! And I stop and I'm doing drift and going again. I'm gonna fix. I fixed my car and let's go back. Oh! How do I go back now? It's not broken. Let's turn around now. Look at my car and we are gonna turn it. This is me. I am gonna turn it around. Wow. I mark so good. And my car is fixing. Can you tell me, guys? Yes. And let's go like full speed and look, that is smart. We went here earlier. Oh, the car is broken. Let's try to fix it. And why the car is not fixing? Now it's gonna fix it. See, look at me. Huh? I am going in another door. This is my drift mark. I'm going in yellow car in another. Let's take job. I take it. Let's go forward. Uh-oh. Why is not drifting? Let's put it no back. Why it's not drifting? It is not drifting. So I'm gonna take this card and check.